Okay, front and rear panels came. I've already cut the bands. They were both wrapped with bands like this, which protects them pretty good. Then the boxes are not even taped, which I guess is okay, but they're fairly long, as you can see. And here we go. Front panel. There's front panel. I've already taken a plastic wrap off it. Here we go. That's the way it came. And that's how it looks. Pretty spiffy. See how it looks when we get all the components in it and see if all the components fit. I guess that's the next major step here. So there's the front panel. We'll set that over there for right now. Get this box out of the way. I don't see any misspelled words on there, so I guess that's a good start. And we're going to unbox this one. Packing slip. And a bunch of that. Oh, boy, we got to have the gummy bears. Oh, yeah, you don't want to lose out on the gummy bears. Okay. So this one's shrink wrapped with the top up, and the other is shrink wrapped with the top down, but this is the rear panel. Not too bad. And let's see, I never did look at the holes in the back. Yeah, see, we've got the tapped holes in the back to hold the different devices that are not going all the way through, just as we requested. So that'll be interesting. And then we'll cut this one out and take a look at it. This one's not near as critical, though. Boy, that's they're both fairly thick panels, 3mm. But there you go. Power in, power out. Fuse for the 240 in, and for each side 240 in, the 120 in, and then the 120 will drop down to a 5 volt at 2 amp and 12 volt at 5 amp for the monitors. And each one of those has a fuse, and they're 1.5 amp each. I thought about making that 1.5. Should be more expletive, but I just went with the 1.5. There's the reset for tower height, and this will be the tower interface cabling that goes to the tower signal-wise, signal back from the Hall effect, and closures to operate the contactors out there. So there's the back. All right. This one is printed. This panel, on the other hand, is engraved and painted. So this has some depth to it, but I don't think you can probably see it. Anyway, this is all engraved. None of it is just printed on. I guess once you start engraving, you got to stay with it for the whole panel. So there you have it. Get the thing in focus here. And we got to start getting the rest of it together. Focus, focus. The bar graph will go in here. This is the information display, and this is the big 1.5-inch LEDs with the feet and the meters. And then, of course, this is just 240 monitoring over here. Power to the 240 volt motor, and the rest of the system that runs on 240 out there. So there you have it. And it's about a little after 3 in the afternoon. So there it is.